5 mil. A H-brace on John's 350 NISMO. Did you guys know that John has a 350 NISMO? No, actually John forgot he has a 350 NISMO. That's how many cars he has. So the H-brace connects these to there and then back and forth. Comes stock on 350Z NISMOs. DE's never got it. The listing says that this fits the HR. It will fit DE 350s. That does include you, Dave. Actually, it doesn't, because you have to have the HR hood. That's the problem. The core support to the strut tower for this brace will fit a DE, but it will hit your hood unless you have the HR hood. So keep that in mind if you're watching this before you buy it. Other than that, let's get into the install. 12 mil, 14 mil, and a 5 mil Allen, and that's all you need. Super easy. First thing we're going to do is remove these bolts here and here, 12 mils off the core support, and the two 14s on the inner corners of the strut tower. And then we can throw the bar on. Super easy. All right, got my 12. You do reuse all the hardware. All right, now you're going to take your left and your right pieces. We're just going to start laying these here. And we're going to loosely run the OE hardware back in just until everything's all tight and buttoned up. So I'm just going to get these in by hand. Do these two. Got my two 14s for the strut tower. All right, so now we can grab our center section with our 4 button heads that we provide and line it up. So I'll just get these guys started, make sure the other side lines up. Beautiful. Now we'll snug them all up and torque them down to spec. All right, so the 4 on the core support are 17. The 4 for the Allen heads are 17 as well. And then the 2 on the strut tower are 33 foot-pounds. So we're gonna start from the front, work our way back. Now we got our 5 mil Allen on there. And up it to 33. One more. That's how easy it is to install a Z1H brace on a 350Z. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on what video you would like to see us do next.